Meaning of FTSE 100 share index.
FTSE 100 share index.
FTSE 100 share index.
FTSE 100 share index.
FTSE 100 share index. The FTSE 100 share index is a stock market index comprised of the top 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange based on their market capitalization. The index is maintained by the Financial Times Stock Exchange Group, FTSE. It is used as a benchmark measure of the performance of the UK stock market and is frequently referenced in financial news and analysis. The FTSE 100 share index is calculated in real time, with changes made throughout the trading day. The index can be used to track the overall direction of the UK stock market, as well as to make investment decisions.